Have you ever wondered how people are making thousands, even millions, just by tapping on their phones? You've heard the stories. Someone bought Bitcoin at $100 and now they're a millionaire. Some teenager in their bedroom flipped $50 into 5 figures. Crypto is everywhere. But the real question is, how do you get started? Is crypto trading just hype? Or is it your golden opportunity to take control of your financial future? In this video, we're diving deep into crypto trading. What it is, how it works, and most importantly, how you can start even if you have zero experience. No complicated jargon, no unrealistic promises. Just a real step-by-step beginner's guide to crypto trading that could change the way you think about money forever. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your first step into the world of digital wealth. Let's get started. Imagine a market that never sleeps. It doesn't close at 5 p.m. It doesn't take weekends off. That's crypto. Crypto trading means buying and selling digital currencies, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, to make a profit from price changes. Think of it like the stock market, but faster, more global, and open 24/7. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies, but not all are created equal. Some are solid long-term assets. Others are just short-term hype. Trading can be extremely profitable, but without the right strategy, it can also be risky. That's why most beginners either quit early or lose big. But not you, because you're here and you're learning the right way. Step 1. Choose the right exchange. Pick a trusted platform like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Sign up, verify your identity, and secure your account with two-factor authentication. Step 2. Fund your account. Deposit money using your preferred method: bank transfer, debit card, or peer-to-peer. Then convert it into a stablecoin like USDT or USDC. Step 3. Start small. Even $10 to $50 is enough to begin. Focus on learning, not profits. Step 4. Trade quality coins. Stick to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other well-known coins. Avoid meme coins and hype tokens in the beginning. Step 5. Use a trading strategy. Whether it's swing trading, dollar cost averaging, or trend following, pick one and stay consistent. Step 6. Read basic charts. Understand trends, support and resistance, and simple indicators like moving averages. Step 7. Always use stop loss and take profit. Know your exit plan. Protect your capital. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. Don't chase coins just because they're trending. Don't use high leverage if you don't fully understand it. Don't trade emotionally. Stick to your plan. Don't follow random advice without doing your own research. Trading is a skill, not a gamble. It takes time, patience, and discipline. If you can't watch charts all day, long-term investing might be better for you. Use dollar cost averaging. Build slowly and safely. If you want to actively trade, treat it like a business. Study, test, review. Trading without strategy is gambling, and gambling favors the house. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Keep a journal of your trades. Track wins, losses, and lessons. Control your emotions. Stay updated with reliable news. Set clear goals. Are you trading for income, growth, or experience? Crypto won't make you rich overnight, but it can give you financial freedom if you play the long game and stay consistent. Thousands of everyday people are making money online through crypto. Not because they got lucky, but because they got educated and took action. So what's stopping you? You've already taken the first step, learning. Now it's time for step 2, doing. Stay smart, stay focused, and trade safe.